Okay, this is the P2 paper from October 2021. It's question number 5, and this is going to be a modelling with series question. It actually asked me to show that something's equal to an arithmetic sequence, and then later on we're going to be doing the sum to n terms of an arithmetic series here. So let's have a look at it and make a start. It tells me that a company owns a silver mine and they extract 480 tonnes in year 1, 465 in year 2, 450 in year 3, and they say it forms an arithmetic sequence. Can we find how much is extracted in year 14? So yeah, absolutely we can. Let's make a start. So we've got that we have 480 in the first year, 465 in the second, 450 in the third, and we're trying to work over here when n equals 14, what's that amount there going to be? So if I want to do that, then I need to know the formula for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence, which everybody should know. It's a plus n minus 1 d. Let's not leave that as a capital N there, let's make that small n, that's what it should be. A plus n minus 1 d, and what we've got is we've got here a equals 480. We've got that the common difference is minus 15 here. It's going down by 15 each time. And we've got that n, as I said previously, is equal to 14. So if we just put all of that information in, we're going to get 480 plus 14 minus 1, 13 lots of minus 15. And if we multiply that all out with all the values we've got there, it works out to be 285. So this term here would be 285. In the 14th year, they extract 285. Right, for part B it then says, when you get to the total of 7,770 tonnes, the company stops mining. So that's the total. So for part B, what we're going to say is that 480 plus 465 plus 450, if we keep going, eventually we get 7,770, and what they want to know is how many of these do I do before I get to that situation. So that's the sum of n terms, so I can put it into this sum of n terms formula. Sum of n terms, again, something you should know for an arithmetic series, is n over 2, 2a, plus n minus 1 times d here, and the only thing we don't have in this formula is the n. The sum, we know, is 7770. N, they've told me is going to be a capital N there, is equal to, and I can put in A is 480, so 2 lots of 480 is 960. D is minus 15, so I'm actually going to put that at the front here, minus 15, N minus 1. And so now I've just got a quadratic which I need to be able to solve. So let's tidy this all up, multiply everything by 2 first of all. If I multiply everything by 2, what's 2 lots of 7770? That's 15540 is equal to n, open bracket, 960. I'll tidy up this as part of this bracket here. That's minus 15n plus 15. Okay, multiply out the bracket, so I'm going to get 15540 is equal to 960n minus 15n squared plus 15n. Now they've actually told me what they want me to make it look like, that quadratic up there. So let's first of all just get this all equal to 0. So that's going to be 15n squared. It's going to be minus 975n plus 15540 is equal to 0. I basically just took everything there over to the other side. And then because of what we do, if we divide everything by 15 here, so they're giving me the hint in the question there, I'm going to get n squared minus 65n plus 1036 equals 0. So I've proved part B. Part C says hence find the answer, so it just means solving this equation. You could do it by factorising if you're a superstar at being able to work out. It's 28 and 37 are the two factors, but I wouldn't pretend I could do that. I'd use a quadratic formula for this one. So I'd say n is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, which works out to be, if I put that in, 65 plus or minus the square root of minus 65 squared minus 4ac is minus 4, lots of 1, lots of 1036, all divided by 2. And that actually gives me two answers, 28 and 37. But then because this is a modelling question where they're asking me what's the total, back up here, how many values did I need to go to? Well, until I got to 7770. Ignoring quadratic now, it's going to be either if one of the answers are positive and one of the answers is negative, just take the positive, or if they're both positive, then take the smallest value. Really make it clear there. If you leave the 37 on, you'd actually lose a mark for it. So n equals 28 is the final answer there. Okay, hopefully that will make sense.